What? Sit lang. Sit lang. Sit lang. Ano sabi mo?
Hindi ko siya mahanap, nandun na siya.
Let's wait for them. Ate, ikaw, you go. Bye-bye.
Why? Why are we staying?
We're gonna wait for nanay.
Wait for nanay. I'll wait for nanay.
You wanna go now? Go with Ninang.
Go with Ninang.
Ano? Video to ha.
One. Video.
Thank you. Can I see it? Alright.
Trap. That's so cute. It's a trap.
Yeah.
Last 12,000 plus years. So go ahead and check out that.
A little bit safer out here, folks. So please watch yourself while getting out today.
Thank you.
Kasama sa binayaran niya. Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Brace it against the pole or a pipe against the pole. But also, you take out the hardwood that helps.
Hello.
Extra finish seals the wood. Oh, that helps keep it from drying out.
Magkano ba isa?
$8.99.
But push will pay. No.
The other side, knock. How about this one? Hoy, kuya.
Hindi ka na lang lagayin.
Gusto mo ng lagayan?
Yan. Ako man.
Suka. Isuka.
Susukang silver soap.
Inubos mo yung suka niya na.
Nag-cruise tas kumain ng
Ate, picture lang ko kayo. Kasama si kuya, oh. Pupo ka, kuya. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Saan yun? Parang dulo ka na. Dulo mo, dulo mo.
Basta eh.
Dulo. 1, 2, 3. Sandali lang. 1, 2, 3. Tagalit lang. 1, 2, 3.
Darn! Ang hirap mag-picture dito, may kitchen.
Kahit ako turista, pwede magka-picture, ayoko lang.
Christian Dior yan, Christian Dior yan, ang Christian Dior. Busog ako.
Taba, yun.
Ang ganda ng panahon.
Puti nga yung ulan.
Sabi nila, manghihiram daw ako ng leeg kay ate, meron naman ako leeg.
Saan?
Kita niya ba yung leeg ko?
Kahit anong
Kitang-kita.
pilit mo, wala.
Extended.
Dali. Picture muna kayo, dali. Habang walang tao.
Hindi pwede ng selfie, PJ, baliktad.
Mucha go. Pe. Sige. Wa. Sige lang. Sige lang. Parang ang hirap hawakan eh. Tabi ka ng konti.
Two blocks away lang ako.
Parang a special to ah. Conrad!
Make a video! Make a video!
I will.
Make a video on the bus!
Hindi kasi sabi lang ito sa madumi na. Nakaupo ako.
Hirap. Nanay, ito na lang.
Okay, stay there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Kayo ng tatlo, Ate Rose. Marami ako nakuha.
Wait lang.
Ang gawin natin, pinyari natin tayo.
Ate, ikaw na lang mag-isa. $30. Got it.
My score is 7,000.
To often disappear. You touch me with the love you're someday. When the world is cold, I will feel alone. Just thinking of and the way you look
Tayo na lang ako. Kuya. Hello, Manok.
We have 24-foot tides, or a 4-foot change in water level every single hour.
Is it okay if we snack? Is it okay if we snack?
May katibayan na kumuha ng napkin to.
Oo, yung mga kukuhanan ka sa makasigilid tayo. Sabihin $25.
Bigay mo kay Ate Ro. Hey, Alexa. Go! 1, 2.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, just press this one. Okay. Thank you.
Sorry about the wallet. Magbutak naman, Maurice. 1. Ano yan?
Hmm? Ay, sige po. Sige. Ito na lang po pindutin ninyo.
Okay.
Mas pasalamat po. Pasensya na po kayo sa wallet na. Buong level na kayo.
Ito na, ready. Sukochi. There. Ay, si kuya nasa halaman. Wait.
Okay lang po, hindi naman siya importante. Di ba po ako malaga?
Say I'll be the sunlight in your universe. You would think my love's really something good, baby. If I could, nothing sure, baby. If I could, nothing sure, baby. If I could, change the world.
And if you think Aaron deserves your vote, make some noise.
Ay, ang ganda.
Very good. Oh, go.
Lumayas ka. Umay na ako sa'yo.
Doon ka sa gitna. Doon ka sa gitna.
Sabi ni Ate Det, lumayas ka.
Ganda ng
Chill ba?
Chill
ba?
Doon ka daw sa gitna.
Yun ang binabayaran.
Ako na dito, nakatsip na ako nung umalis ka.
Wala nang baso?
Meron doon ang dami
Dahil
doon.
po magbulag-bulagan, nandito.
Ako din.
Champagne.
It is my country present! Give it up for Indonesia!
All the way from Uruguay. I do apologize. That crazy man is my husband. They take it over, ladies and gentlemen. With 302 crew members, give it up for We have 3 crew members, including our Captain Carlos from Panama! doing some salsa for you, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, give it up for the men arriving early at the ports of call, taking us safe and sound everywhere. Give it up for Carlos Arjo.
What we do here is go back.
Just a jackknife, glory on another empty life.
Clap your hands, make some noise if you want Aaron to win the competition. Make some noise if you want Cameron to win the competition. And getting the gold for this evening's karaoke superstar, it's none other than Aaron is awarded to you. So let's give a round of applause. Our champion for our karaoke superstar, none other than Aaron. So one more time, let's give it up to this lovely gentleman right here. We want to get some more money.
Congratulations.
So these teams are selling this bingo pool tags. So purchase 4. It's only for $20. So
1, 2, 3, go! Ano to? Lumalalas, lumalabas, manubri. Hindi mo niya rinig.
Talking about this is the energy we need for what is about to start. Before we kick with the game, can I have a mustard? Appendix scar. An appendix scar. Appendix scar. Well, team number, what's your number? Team number 1, team number 3. Where is it? Team number 2.
Ano daw, pendant? Appendix card. Akala ko pendant.
Doing the worm. A set of false teeth out of the mouth. The tallest and the shortest man in your team. The tallest and the shortest.
Hey, Rod.
Together, I need you to dirty dance for us.
Nakakahiya naman yun.
Basic card mo.
Ano sabi mo?
Hindi ko siya mahanap, nandun na siya. I'm gonna go parasailing in Vancouver.
Hero wala. Sinalay dahil talaga.
Ladies, best for